Hi guys, I'm at waterfalls. So this is traditional waterfalls. See? Abom here. Người Tây hơn cái abom mag lithan wagay. Journey to the Mysterious Island Part 4. So I'm gonna take you to the Mysterious Island Part 4. See? I nearly fall down. I nearly fall down. You know? Oh, I think those are like, you know, it's a stream, but like this is fully dangerous. So don't walk alone. If you want to live, you have to walk with your brother, your sister, and everyone. Okay? Oh.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have
Padre hoga nali hen kuma.
Khi ra đó chúng ta phải bây giờ luôn cái đấy chứ.
Ủa chúng ta phải làm cái trong vào đó. Actually, I want to go that way. Actually, I want to go that side, but this person said that it's very dangerous. So I think we have to go down this way. This way. So welcome to mini waterfalls. Let's go and enjoy some waterfalls. Okay? So the situation is Whoa! The mini waterfalls. Mini waterfalls. Ah.
So when you stop paying so much attention.
The cameraman. Traditional waterfalls. Yeah. If you want to see more traditional waterfalls, you can see this one. Waterfalls. You might think that this is not high, but look at that. See? 1 kilometer height, and the forest department is here. 오세번 감다. Traditional waterfalls I'm so tired because I went to traditional waterfalls, and this one is no magdriga. We went down there. This is where they used to, they used to hunt rock. So, way up here, way.